So I did it. I walked into the Coach store and I said that I want to see the Tabby messenger bag. I saw it and I bought it. So let me do a quick unboxing. They gave me this fancy thing here. And I got the biggest one. Here she is. Oh, they tied the top. This is going to take me a second to undo. So I have these fake nails on. So I got a new one from the back of the store. Are you guys ready? Are you really? It's huge. It's so big, but it is the perfect size for a work bag. I love it because of the straps. The strap's not removable, as you can see. That's fine. It is adjustable. So I am very tall, so I'm just going to go ahead and put it on the last notch right away. You can see a close-up of the notches. I chose black because black goes with everything. So that's that. And I do like the light stitching. It's really nice. It just feels really nice and soft. So when I close this and put it over my shoulder, this is, oh no, you guys can't see. It is literally the perfect length on me. Like I said, I am 5'11", so this is where it falls on me. I'll make sure to link this down below, but now that I see that this angle works, let me show you the inside of the bag. I'm gonna have to make sure I stuff it. Well, I'm gonna stuff it. I take literally everything to work, like literally everything. So I'm there for so many hours. So when you open it up, you get this material. It's really soft. From other videos I have watched, this is microfiber. It's really soft. What's this? So I'm going to open up to show you guys the inside of this. It's a really big pocket. Perfect for all of my crap. And on the inside, oh, I'm sorry, there is a zipped part. Let me see how deep it is. It's pretty deep. You can fit quite a bit in here. It's really nice. I think it's weird that it's light on the inside and everything else is dark, but you know, whatever. And it has the Coach emblem on the inside. There's another pocket right here. So let me take the bag off so I can show you. There's another pocket here on the other side, which is nice. I do like the amount of pockets it has so that I can separate certain things. It's also white on the inside. I don't know who came up with that part of the design, but I would assume it's a black bag. Everything else is black. You know, the inside would be black, but that's not a deal breaker for me, obviously, because I still bought the bag. And in the back of the bag, there is another really big pocket. It looks like it has a magnetic closure for the back part. Yeah, that's really cool. I wish they all were like that, actually. Let me see, on some videos I saw something on the bottom. This one does not have any embossing on the bottom, which is fine. This is perfect for me. This is exactly what I was looking for. I have no complaints, none. I love how thick the strap is because I said this already, but I do already wear a tote to work sometimes, but I can't wear it too often or for too long because the strap is not thick and it is very uncomfortable. And like I said, I stuff my bags like crazy. So let me see, let me close this. How easy is this to close? All right, you just press, I'm gonna show it to you guys a little bit closer. So underneath the C, there's a button you press. Whoop. Underneath the C, there's a button you press, and that opens the bag. So this right here, which is really nifty, so your bag won't just be flying open. And I forgot to mention this other pouch right here. There's just so many compartments, which is great because I just have a lot of stuff. This little emblem here, I'm gonna have to do research on that, or if somebody in the comments knows what this stands for, I would like to know. Other than that, this bag is beautiful, it's soft, I love it. I love it. I will be using her on Monday. Yeah, this is my new work bag. This is also would be a wonderful travel bag because the strap is so comfortable. A lot of people use like Neverfulls and like other totes like that, but this strap, how do you deal with the strap? I know your shoulders hurt. So yes, I'm excited. If you were waiting on this video to possibly sway you away from buying it, I'm sorry, I'm not going to tell you to do that. I like this bag. It's really big, but I was telling the person who helped me pick it out that I'm so tall that it still works. Like, it doesn't look too ridiculous because I'm very big. So yeah, just so you know, this bag is very big. It's the large tabby messenger bag in pebble leather, very soft leather. And I like this leather because you don't have to baby it as much. This leather is super durable. Let me see if I can get the size. You know, the dimensions, it just says large. So I don't know the dimensions off the top of my hand. I was just like, I want the biggest one. And he's like, all right, it's really big. I was like, yeah, I want it. So I'm gonna link this down below, and hopefully the link will have the actual like measurements and stuff to it. But that's the end of this unboxing. I love this thing.